Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to generate discount codes for your ShopBase store. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in shopbase.com. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to ShopBase if you haven't already done that, of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see, on the left side of the screen, we have Home, Orders, Products, we have the Fulfillment and Analytics, we have the Marketing and Sales, Contacts, Apps, Settings, and the Online Store. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and generate discount codes for your ShopBase store. So go to your ShopBase admin panel and log in with your credentials. In the admin panel, go to Marketing and Sales, and then click on Discount Codes and create a discount code. Then in the discount code section, enter the name of your discount code. You can also choose to generate a random code if you prefer. Select the type of discount you want to offer, such as percentage or fixed amount. Enter the value of discount, such as 10% off or 5% off. Choose whether the discount applies to the entire order. You can specify the order number of times the discount code can be used, the minimum order quantity required, and expiration date. Once you've entered all the details, click Save to create a discount code. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, as always, bye guys.